That's a bad window, so I'm gonna replace it. Already started, but always leave a couple screws in so that you can handle it, bringing it down. See, it's a bad window. And up there, climb a little bit higher on this ladder. Oofta. I don't know if you can see it. There's a nest of a wasp. Hey. Yeah, it doesn't reach, and the former tenants had just taped it, but you know what? Let's fix it. And down below, there are more problems. The window is shipping water, and besides that, it's dirty, so I've got to replace it. So what we have here is a cordless screwdriver. I'm taking out those bolts, screws, whatever. And always have a parts bucket so that when you depart the parts, they don't fall on the ground, because that's no bueno. And I've got a bunch more of them, and I want to use both hands, so let me remove the screws. When a screw no longer has threads on it, that's a bad sign. This one is about half its threads left. All right, that goes in the dearly departed bucket. Out with the old. That looks good looking wood. It's all clean. All clean. There's gunk, that's easy to clean off. It's good solid wood. Now we look down at the sill, and that side is rotted out. It's all got water damage, and it's gone. So I'll replace the sill. That's easy enough with the window out of the way. Also, this stuff has to come off. Some of it's going to be easy. This is pretending it's all cooperating. But I know better. I know it's going to fight me in places. So, yeah, I will get, it's 6 o'clock now, I will get that cleaned out, and tomorrow I will get that little windowsill fixed. Alright, that's done. There are a bunch of screws holding that window in. Ain't going nowhere. Where are you going? Nowhere. And in addition, there's that waxy stuff tucked underneath. So, ain't leaking any water neither. However, this window is a little bit smaller than the one it's replacing, so I'm going to have to go back and hit that with some silicone, and clear silicone be just fine. No one will know.